Hey everybody, Oklahoma Community Watch here. Out here in Oklahoma, Blackwell, Oklahoma. Over there is Bremen, tornado. I try to bring you the coverage, my people. But yeah, I'm out here. Shows you all the people stopping to watch. Tornado over there, northern Oklahoma. Guys out there in Bremen, I hope you guys are safe. Guys, looks pretty bad over there, guys. I'm trying to do two things at once, so please forgive me. Running two cameras here, one film for digital and recording, so yeah, okay. Got the helicopter somewhere up there. Yeah, okay. That's apparently Channel 9's up in the air. There they are. Hey, fake news. Yeah, that is Channel 9. All right, everybody, don't look like nothing else is going on. We're gonna drive off and keep our eyes out. We'll be out here. This is Oklahoma Community Watch saying peace, love, and always film the police.